Hello guys, my name is Queen and I'm popularly known as Igbo with Queen's TV. In this channel, I teach you how to speak Igbo. If Igbo is really hard for you to speak, trust me, just in 1 hour, you're going to learn how to introduce yourself. Please guys, if today is your first time watching me in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, so guys, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to speak Igbo, how to introduce yourself, how to went for a meeting to family members and they are thinking that you cannot speak Igbo. My dear, teach them. Tell them that you can speak Igbo. By introducing yourself, they are going to be like, huh? So you can speak Igbo. So guys, to introduce yourself. Okay, let's say I am talking to you guys right now. Ndewono. Ndewono. In English, it means hello everyone. You're talking to everybody. Ndewono. If you're talking to only me, ndewo. Hello. Ndewo. But if you're talking to everybody, more than 10, more than 20 people, ndewono. 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 Hello everyone. Ndewono. That's number one. So number two, I'm going to introduce myself to you right now by starting from my name. My name is Queen. My name is Queen in Igbo. Ahambo Queen. That sounds good. Ahambo Queen. It sounds very good. Ahambo Queen. Ahambo Queen. My name is Queen. Ahambo Queen. That's number two. We got it, right? Number three. I am from Abia State. Awum onye Abia State. Sounds good. I am from Abia State. Awum onye Abia State. That sounds great. You, where are you from? Awum onye Edo State, right? Awum onye Ekiti State. Awum onye Bini. Awum onye anywhere you're from. You can say I am from Abia State. Okay, come na agwa gị. Awum onye Abia State. Awum onye Abia State. Number three, okay? Number four. Ụtụtụ ọma. Good morning. Good morning. Ụtụtụ ọma. Good afternoon. Ehihie ọma. Ehihie ọma. Ehihie ọma. When you want to say good evening, good evening. Mgbede ọma. Mgbede ọma. Mgbede ọma, that's good evening. Listen very well again. Good morning in Igbo is ụtụtụ ọma. That is good morning. Do you understand? Good morning is ụtụtụ ọma. Ụtụtụ ọma. Good afternoon in Igbo is ehihie ọma. Ehihie ọma. That sounds so good, right? Ehihie ọma. Good evening is mgbede ọma. Mgbede ọma. Mgbede ọma. Then when you want to tell somebody good night, like you want to go and sleep, you're feeling sleepy, you want to say good night. Kachifo. Kachifo. That is good night. Kachifo. That sounds so good, right? Now we are going to restart it again. Let's start from the beginning, like the introduction. Now let me introduce myself to you. Ndewono. Ndewono. Aha m bụ Queen. My name is Queen. Aha m bụ Queen. My name is Queen. I'm from Abia State. Awụ m onye Abia State. Awụ m onye Abia State. Sounds good. Awụ m onye Abia State. Ụtụtụ ọma. Good morning. Ụtụtụ ọma. Good morning. Ụtụtụ ọma. Ụtụtụ ọma. I know you're enjoying that. Ụtụtụ ọma. Sounds very good. Then, good afternoon. Ehihie ọma. Ehihie ọma. Ehihie ọma. Good evening. Mgbede ọma. Mgbede ọma. I know you like it, and I know you're going to learn it. Believe me. Ehihie ọma. Ehihie ọma, that's good afternoon. Mgbede ọma, that's good evening. Don't forget to. Ụtụtụ ọma, that's good morning. Ehihie ọma, that's good afternoon. Mgbede ọma, that's good evening. Kachifo, that's good night. Kachifo, that's good night. Kachifo, that's good night. I know you're going to enjoy it. Believe me, when you learn how to speak this, it's going to be very fun. Igbo is not that hard though. It's not hard as you're looking at it. It's not hard. Igbo is very, very simple to learn. So guys, don't forget to subscribe. And please, if you have any question at all, any question you want to ask me, maybe English that you want me to translate for you in Igbo, then drop it in the comment section and I will answer your question right away and very fast. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to comment. Share any of your experience. Write anything, any question you want to ask me, I am available. See you guys in my next video and don't miss out. Igbo kwenu, yeah, Igbo kwenu, kwezono,